KDP isn't for you if you want to just publish a book that you're an expert on. Look, maybe not everybody teaches this way. I teach one way, how to make money with KDP. That's it, right? I don't care what your degree is, what your background is, or any of that stuff. I'm going to show you how to make money with KDP. Now, if you're an expert on something and that topic is something that's deemed profitable on Amazon, well, then great. We can marry the two and you can go be an expert and make a lot of money with it. Fantastic. But listen, you don't have to be an expert to publish books and make money on books on Amazon at all. Like, I have books showing seniors how to do chair yoga. Do you think I'm an expert on teaching seniors how to do chair yoga? Absolutely not. Right? I have a whole bunch of other books on other topics that I have zero interest in my day-to-day life. Like, I could care less, but I do care that they make money. So you don't have to be an expert on those topics at all. Now, are you going to have to learn about those particular topics in order to write a high quality book about them? Well, yes, you are. Now, we use AI to write all our books, so we don't have to learn as much as we used to, thank God. But like, I've learned about a lot of the issues that seniors go through, and even how like there are some circumstances when there's certain chair yoga exercises they shouldn't do based on surgeries or different things that they've had. And I had to learn about all of those things in order to create the book and put all the warnings and disclaimers and everything in there so nobody got hurt. So I had to learn a lot about a subject that I didn't really necessarily care for. But I'm not an expert on it, and the book does really well. Like, I've made thousands of dollars from that book. And, I remember back to my computer programming days. I know, like, you know how much I know about computer programming? Less than nothing. Like, my daughter knows more about computer programming than I do. And I made a killing off computer programming books. Right? Super technical. I would never do that again because they were way too much work. It's so boring. But that's the thing. You don't have to be an expert to make money off your book topics. You do have to make sure you're providing relevant, correct information. That goes into the research phase, but you don't have to be an expert. And that's key, right? Remember, your market, it cares about getting outcomes. It doesn't care about your credentials, right? Having a couple letters next to your name means absolutely nothing. It cares that, hey, if I buy your book and I read it, will I solve the problem that I bought it for? As long as you can confidently answer yes, you got a good book.